Please don't stand, kids. Wait until the ride stops completely. If you want to ride once more, please remember to form the line again. Thank you for riding the Boulderville Express, and have a great day.
Train si Bunso. Train, go away. Si ate din, nagtitrain si ate. Doon ka na, Bunso. Go, driver. Ate, tingin ka, ate. Ate, doon ka na. Tingin kayo dito. Bag, tingin. Daddy. Hi, at bag.
Hi, kids. Welcome to safety strap fastened at all times. For your safety, do not rock the train. Remember to keep your hands and legs inside the ride at all times. Remain seated until the ride stops completely. Hope you have a nice ride.
Bunso! Bunso! Umayos ka sa driver dyan, ha?
Anak, ganyan mo.
Ayun na.
Ganyan mo. Yan.
Saan tayo papunta?
Carmona.
Bunso! Naging bata si Bunsoy mo eh. Ate, ano feeling makasakay ng train na pang bata? Ate, enjoy ka ate sa pang bata?